Holly, you gonna eat for the first time?
Let's see. Let's see if she'll eat that stuff. Here, Holly.
Open your mouth. Just put some in there. Get some in there. Did you get some in her mouth? She doesn't know what's going on. It's food, girl.
It's
Welcome to the world.
Holly, it's yummy food. It's
There
food.
you go. Try it. Eat it. What's that?
Delicious.
You want to try
Here.
some more food? Yeah, she likes it. There you go. What's that? Oh.
Food.
All
Food.
right.
Glorious food.